Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez from my Asagari channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So, ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin ang sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So, this is a weekly gabay for the month of September 12 hanggang September 18 for the sign of Aquarius. So, Aquarius, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aquarius ang ating makakagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit notification bell for more videos updated. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip na ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik-liglig na gumapaw na biyayang maanubalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages advice sa'yo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Aquarius. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating mga agilap Aquarius? So ito na. Tutunghayan at bubulabugin na natin ang buong pagkatao mo. So ito na. Watch this. Angel spirit, please give me information po. Oh wow, this is the Ace of Pentacles with a big shot and big money and big break. No, this is something a big opportunity with a material offer. Na maaring kumbaga may jackpot, manalo ka sa lot or manalo ka sa bidding or manalo ka dito sa opportunities na to or makapasa ka or matanggap ka no sa new job, no? And this is something information with a big shot. So this is a two of swords with an indecision. May mga bagay dito na nahihirapan kang magdesisyon, no? Nahihirapan kang kapain kung ano yung mga bagay-bagay na nasa paligid mo. This is something on 8 of Wands with a fast communication and fast movement. This is something information with trouble. So this is an information with trouble, and of course this is something messages, and of course phone calls. Let's see additional messages, and of course this is an information with a black nomen. Oh my god, this is a black magic not involved. This is a lot of negativities around you. Oh my goodness. Additional messages. And this is something in 7 of Wands, no? You are being protected. Protektado ka naman daw dito, no? Maaring or you need protections, no? Maraming kumakalaban sa'yo. Diyan sa trabaho, diyan sa business mo. Na meron diyang palihim na binabackstab ka. See, I told you. Oh my God, kakasabi ko lang, this is something backstab. See, yung parang niyakap ka, saksak sa likod, ganan. Kumbaga may ganong eksena. Kaya kailangan mag-ingat ka guys, ha. This is the Queen of Wands by confident. Kailangan lakas naman loob mo, lakas naman pakiramdam mo. Maging matapang ka. The 7 of Swords represent cheating, lying on you, no? This is a lot of sneakiness. Kumbaga, there's a also with an indecision. Hindi ka makapag-decision kasi parang nararamdaman mo na itong tao o kaharap mo yung pag pinagkakatiwalaan mo rather na maaaring malaki ang potential na inggit sa'yo, no? Lakas ang na potential. So this is a strength card with confident, and of course lakas ang pakiramdam mo na maaaring napapaamo mo siya, but nandun pa rin yung stranger or something nakakatakot or ganon. Yung parang mapanghanib. This is something Knight of Swords with a success driven, no? Magsasuccess ka at the end of the time, but you need to be wise and of course be analyzed, no? Sa lahat ng mga nangyayari sa paligid mo. This is something intelligent, maging matalino ka sa pagdidesisyon at gagawin mong, kumaga lahat ng mga bagay sa paligid mo, kailangan mong kapain ng maayos, no? Kasi may mga bagay dyan, kaharap mo na, pero hindi pa pala yung totoo. This is a tower moment for a major changes, no? Malaking pagbabago na magaganap dito kasi may mga biglaan dito na hindi mo akalaing, kumaga, 'di ba? Biglaan kang aatakihin ng eksena. Kaya kailangan proteksyonan at pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo. So let's see what is the 3 of Swords. So represent the 10 of Cups with unhappiness. Inggit. Inggit nga. Kasi masaya ka or either, kumbaga, ando ka sa point na parang hindi mo man nakukuha ang lahat. Pero you're happy for who you are or for what you have, no? Kung ano man yung mga bagay na meron ka, kung ano man yung mga bagay na na nagpapasaya sa'yo, no? Yun siguro naiinggit siya, no? Oh my goodness, this is something toxic. And the white namin is a white divinity, no? This is something, an information with a spiritual, no? Spiritual journey or something spiritual path. So, this is an information na kailangan mo lakasan ng loob mo. The more na confident ka, the more mo makukuha yung opportunities na to. So, the Two of Swords, because the Seven of Swords represents the Queen of Pentacles. So, this is something practicality. Now, there's a good sign pagdating sa entrepreneur. Kailangan maging matalino ka, no? Sa pagdating sa finances. So, the Eight of Wands, and of course, the Strength card, represent the Page of Swords. This is spying, looking, watching at you. May sumusubaybay talaga sa'yo, ha? Makakapag-trouble ka, pero kailangan mo maging behave. No? Makakaalis ka dyan or makakapunta ka na ibang trabaho. This is a 8-8, represent talaga ng abundance. But eventually, guys, kailangan mo talaga maging tahimik or maging low-key ganan. Kumbaga, maging private muna yung life mo. This is something maraming nakatingin sa yon. Maraming sumusubaybay sa'yo. The Black Nominee was the Knight of Swords. Represent the Empress card. See? This is something a new beginning. And there's a fertility for attractions or you are being attracted to anyone. No? Talagang malakas ang atake mo, malakas ang charisma mo. Now, you are very charmed person. No? Malakas ang ano mo dito. Parang nakakahatak ng mga kaya siguro ang laking inggit. This is a star card for healing. And the star card represent the wish fulfillment, hope and miracles. No? May mga biglaan ditong biyaya nang hindi mo inaasahan. Kaya doon sila parang naiinggit sa'yo na parang ang lapit mo sa swerte. Ganaan. So, let's see what is the Three of Swords and the Ten of Cups. Represent the Four of Wands by homecoming, celebration, no? This is a family gathering. O, in case na maaring, kumbaga, related sa'yo, sa family mo, this is a Four of Wands by Twin Flame. Maaring, kumbaga, nakasama mo to. Maaring, kumari mo, no? This is something, merong event for binyag or, this is an event for a family gathering. Maring ka mag-anak mo to or yun nga, na kumare mo, kaibigan mo. So let's see what is that outcome. For an outcome, represent what? The Page of Wands. So this is something good news. May magandang balita and this is a new ideas. And the word can represent the trouble. Wow, success is coming in for you. Talaga magsasuccess ka, no? Itong plano mo, kumbaga pag nag-sink into sa utak mo, maisa sa katuparan mo siya, no? Mailalahad mo siya talaga ng perfect. No? Let's see what is additional messages about sa career. Career or finances represents the Knight of Swords. Now, this is something anxiety, sleepless nights. No? May mga bagay o panahon na hindi ka makatulog. You're feeling stressed, depressed, or exhausted dito pagdating sa negosyo or trabaho mo. And of course, this is a Four of Swords. Intuition. Marami tumatakbo sa isipan mo. Ha? Magulo utak mo. Ang laki ng, ang laking factor dito guys na maaring, lutang. No, this is the Ten of Wands burden. So see, oh my God, may nagbibigay pa sakit sa'yo, kaya ganun yung nararamdaman mo. Yung fear, you're feeling tired, na kahit kakagising mo lang. No, parang ang bigat-bigat or parang may nakapasan sa'yo na hindi mo maintindihan. No, bawat kilos mo parang maraming nakatarak sa'yo, ganan. Additional messages sa'yo about sa love life. About sa love life, there is a Five of Swords, there is a self-sabotage. Oh, see? Kumbaga, pag may mga achievements ka kasi or something na dumarating sa yung magaganda opportunity, at kumbaga, nag-share ka sa ibang tao, eh. Kaya, ang dating sa kanila, iniinggit mo sila. Or parang, ang dating sa kanila, parang, pinamumukha mo sa kanila na ganito yung meron ka, ganito. Kumbaga, ang laking inggit lang, no? Parang, kumbaga, nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage kasi ikaw mismo yun parang naghahain sa kanila, no? Para magkaroon ng galit or inggit sa'yo. This is something that Eight of Swords. See, there's a lot of toxicities around you. I told you, na talaga napapalibutan ka na talaga ng toxic. Dumaga sa trabaho mo or sa negosyo mo, there's a lot of toxicities. Additional messages about sa health. And this is Justice card. No, don't you worry guys, magkakaroon with the Temperance healing. No, magkakaroon ka na ng healing and justice will be served. Kung ginawang ka man ng sakit, ginawang ka ng karamdaman nito, don't you worry, there's something bounce back 10 times. No? Ibabalik sa kanila yan ng siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na kung ano yung ginawa nila. No? So let's see what is Romance Angels represent the Mystic Love Oracle deck. And because this is something, love, affection, strong, no? Pati sa love life, guys, na maaring, kumbaga, kinaiinggitan ka or either ginawan ka ng eksena para, 'di ba, iwanan ka or magkaroon ng third parties, na kumbaga ang nangyayari dito, may sapaw ganon. And this is something regret, mistake, na may mga pagkakamali, no, doon na nagsisingkin sa utak ng mga ex mo yung mga pagkakamali na gawa nila kasi hindi naman talaga nila gusto yun. Bagkus pinapasok sa isip nila o sa utak nila yung mga ganong eksena, no? This is something gayuma para masira yung relationship. Ganon, guys. Kaya parang lagi kang olats pagdating sa love life. So let's see what is the magical fairy messages. Magical fairy messages represent us for what you want, no? Sinasabi dito na kailangan mong humingi ng gabay sa ating angel spirit na lahat ng mga bagay na gusto mo ay makukuha mo. No? Lahat ng mga kailangan mo ay makukuha mo. Humingi ka ng gabay. And this is something, exercise. So, kailangan mo rin ng exercise dito, guys. No? Tamang diet or something. Patlakasin ang immune system mo. Be stronger and of your body. So, let's see what is synchronicities. And there's a friends na mas bata sa yung person mo o mas bata ka sa person mo if you were a man. And this is something artist, no? You are manifestation of creativity, no? Kayang-kaya mong may sakatuparan o bigyang kulay lahat ng mga bagay na gusto mo makuha. This is something crystal vision, no? Kumaga nakikita mo na kagad yung possibilities, no? Nakikita mo kagad na itong bagay na to ay makukuha mo, itong bagay na to ay kumaga may isa sa katuparan mo. And this is star, no, representing healing and miracles. So let's see, guys, now what is the yin and yang oracle card? And because there's something confusion, na maaring naguguluhan ka sa ngayon, or maraming pumapasok sa isipan mo talaga. You're feeling confused talaga, guys. And all the time. And there's a comfort zone. Kailangan mo na kumawala sa comfort zone mo. Sa mga takot at pangamba mo, this is something flow. No, dadaloy na. No, with the stability. And this is something karma. Double clarification, guys. This song karma is waving, the justice will be served. Na lahat talaga ng gumagawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda or lahat ng mga bagay na ginagawa mo ay may kaakibat na consequences. So let's see what is the Money Move Oracle deck. For money and career reading, so there's a shielding. So stop being arrogant. So sinasabi dito na time to set higher goals. So mas maganda yung kumbaga tinitingnan mo yung sarili mo na magbago or mag-develop na basta iwasan mo yung pagiging mayabang dito or bossy. There's something snake na maaring kumbaga ikaw mismo tutuklaw sa sarili mo, parang gano'n. Or gigisahin sa sarili mo mantika. Parang kailangan mo mag-ingat, no? At kailangan mong gamayan kung ano yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo. So let's see what is additional messages with the Archangel Michael. And there's your children are watched over by angels. No, yung mga bata o mga anak mo rin ginagabayan naman daw ng ating angel spirit. And there's a make commitment. No, make a commitment. Kumbaga kailangan mo mag-commit dito sa eksena or pagdating sa relationship or finances, kailangan mo mag-commit, no? And this is something you and your loved ones are safe. Yung mga mahal mo daw sa buhay, safe naman daw. So let's see what is the romance angels represent for you, for love. And there's a reconciliation. Meron ditong babalik from the past. And this is a forgive and learning, no? Kailangan mo magpatawad at kailangan mo matuto. So let's see what is the angel's answer represent what? Listen to your intuition, na makikinig ka sa intuitions mo, guys. And of course, this is something forgiveness. Talaga may forgiveness, guys. Kapatawaran talaga dito. And there's a meditating answers. Na kailangan mag-meditate, magmuni-muni, magdasal. Let's see what is the chakra messages. Or there's a complacency na huwag mong hayaang mahuli ang lahat. Na napapag-iwanan ka ng pagkakataon at panahon. This is something growth. No? Magkakaroon ka ng growth and expansion. And there's a prayer. No? Magdasal ka lang daw. Lahat ng mga bagay na pinagdadasal mo ay nangyayari nawa. And this is gratitude. No? Be thankful kung ano man yung mga bagay na inihain sa'yo. Yung mga bagay na dumarating, masakit man, pero kailangan mo tanggapin at kailangan pagdaanan. Ganun talaga. No? It's a part of your journey. No? This is something, a proseso. Kasama siya sa proseso. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, this is right passage, no? Makakapasa ka sa hamon ng buhay or maaaring nakapasa ka na sa mga mga pinagdaanan mo. And this is something snake. Oh my God, mag-ingat ka talaga, may traitor. This is a release. Kailangan pakawalan mo. And there's a completion with enjoy your life from the fullest. No? The more na nag-enjoy ka, the more kang, the more magsasuccess ka sa kung naman yung ginagawa mo. And this is something love. No? Ito yung sinasabi na mahalin mo yung ginagawa mo. The more na minamahal mo siya, the more siyang magde-develop at magkakaroon ng transformations. No? And of course, growth and expansion. And there's a karmic relationship. Oh my God, talagang ginawan ka talaga sa relation. Meron ditong toxic family or toxic friends or either a toxic relationship rather na nagbibigay complication. And there's a you're not alone. Hindi ka nag-iisa, no? You're feeling isolation. Kumaga feeling mo pinagsakloban ng langit at lupa ka, pero hindi mo alam ego or something pride lang yung nagkukulong sa'yo, no? And there's a loneliness. I told you, never be alone. So hindi ka nag-iisa. Ha? Sarili mo lang yung nag-iisip niyan. There's an health. No? There's an health. Kailangan mo tutukan yung health issues mo, guys. Masyado kang, kumbaga, nega. So, let's see what is additional messages. Angel Spirit, please give me information po. And there is a school na marami ka pang matututunan, marami ka pang malalaman. And this is something spiritual teacher. Na kumbaga, sinasabi dito na mayroon kang tutulong sa'yo na malaman mo at maliwanagan ka sa lahat ng nangyari or kailangan mo namang gagamot dito na para pumutol sa nagbibigay blockages or nagbibigay sumpa, kamalasan sa buhay mo. For the energy, represent all tied up. So, see, kailangan mo na kumawala. Masyado ka nakatali, no, sa lahat ng mga pangyayari, no? This is something victory. Magtatagumpay ka. And there is a door to the value, no? Meron talagang malaking finances na papasok dito with the big money, no? Doon pa lang sa unang baraha with the Ace of Pentacles, this is something a big break. Don't be missed. So, let's see what is Arcangel Raphael messages. Talagang pinapakita dito, madam, kumbaga, may potential ka, no, na maging, masagana ang buhay mo. This is something avoid allergens. No? Iwasan mo yung mga nakakasama sa kalusugan mo, yung mga allergic ka, no? Maaring meron kang allergic from foods, no? Medicine. And there's a show the world the real you. No? Pakita mo sa mundo kung sino ka talaga, no? Kung ano man yung mga bagay or kakayanan mo, kaalaman mo, no? And of course, wait lang guys. And you and your loved ones are safe, no? Double clarification na safe naman daw yung mga mahal mo sa buhay. For Jesus loving quote said, blessed are the peacemaker for the shall be called the children of God. So see, binibless daw yung mga tao mas pinili yung katahimikan at kapayapaan kaysa patuloy yung mga bagay-bagay dyan sa paligid, no? Kumbaga, mas maganda na ipagdasal mo na lang sila sa lahat ng mga ginagawa nila, 'di ba? Kaysa patulan mo yan. The more na parang pinapakawalan mo lahat ng mga guilt, toxicities, or kumbaga negativity sa paligid mo, the more na gaganda ang eksena mo. For an angel's number, represent as 2002 with a void. Stop, no? May mga bagay dito na kailangan mong alisin, no? Yung nagbibigay stress or depression sa'yo. You have a more control over your life that you realize. Learn and execute what interests you. Turn things around, it get better with time. There are plenty of friends to make, so chill out, having fun and open up, go outside. So see, kailangan mo dito ng na parang unwind, na kailangan mo pakawalan yung nagbibigay stress sa'yo, no? Or getting away from the situation. So let's see what is additional messages with the messages of life. A messages of life represent what? The eyes of the heart. So sinasabi dito guys, today I've received the real beauty of every person I meet. With the eyes of the heart, I see behind the personality and focus of the energy of love that dwells beneath of the surface. I am filled with wonderful, the presence of God in every one of us. The eyes of the heart allow me to see divine shining everywhere. No? Kung yung mata mong, kung yung puso mo, no, yung gagawin mong silbing mata mo, makikita mo yung kahulugan ng pagmamahal, no, inside and out. And of course, lahat ng mga bagay na nangyayari sa paligid mo ay ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos, dahil ang Panginoon talaga ay binibigay ang pagmamahal niya ayon dyan sa mga nangyayari sa paligid mo. No? Kumbaga, inaalis niya yung mga bagay na nakakasama sa iyo, ibinibigay niya yung mga bagay na dapat mong matutunan at malaman. No? Kumbaga, masakit man, mahirap man, pero alam niya na itong bagay na ibibigay niya sa iyo ay pangmatagalan at hindi panandalian lamang. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of September 12 hanggang September 18 for the sign of Aquarius. So Aquarius, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kundi lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and notification bell for more videos update. Because maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig na gumapong na biyayang manabalik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.